So in this video, I'll be giving you all a simplified skincare routine for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're watching my video right now and then you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any video I'll be uploading. So in this video, I'll be giving you all a simplified skincare routine for beginners. In this video, we'll be calling it skincare 101. Okay, the essential products you need for your routine is basically your facial cleanser, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. Facial cleanser, you need this La Roche-Posay cleanser to gently cleanse off the dirt out of your skin. For your moisturizer, you'll be going for a lightweight moisturizer, which is this one. Why I'm recommending this one is because it blends in properly with your sunscreen. I recommend you use this in the morning before you move in with your sunscreen. And I love this sunscreen so much, like it blends in very well and give you that glowing skin. Okay, so I'll recommend you use a sunscreen that will not clog your pores, sunscreen that is not too heavy on your skin. Just the basic skincare routine you need as a beginner. You don't need to start using any treatments on your skin. I recommend you start using a toner. After your cleanser, you add in your toner, and this toner, I'm recommending it because it's super lightweight, it's calming and also soothing to the skin. So I recommend you use a toner on your skin as the second step in your skincare routine. You use a toner. Now the third step, you use your moisturizer, and then you're moving in with your sunscreen. That's if you need more into your routine. Okay, now if you want to treat your skin, I will now recommend you introduce an exfoliant into your routine. And if you have an oily, acne prone skin / sensitive skin, I recommend you use this 2% Paula's Choice. Is super gentle while exfoliating your skin. So you will use this toner for your nighttime skincare routine. And then you also need to introduce a retinol into your skincare routine. Now, why introducing retinol into your routine? Retinol is the real good, like it's the main thing when it comes to skincare, because it's multifunctional. It will take care of a lot of things on your skin. Retinol will improve your skin's texture. Retinol will decrease hyperpigmentation. It will brighten dull skin. It will regulate the oily skin on your face. It will reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It will also increase the collagen production on your face. It will help to treat acne. It will help to increase cell turnover. So when you introduce retinol into your routine, you're taking care of a lot of things. So you don't need a niacinamide, you don't need azelaic acid, you don't need any other treatment. Just keep it simple. So while starting off retinol in your routine as a beginner, you need to start with a mild dose. You don't need a high percentage in your routine. Recommending retinol, I recommend this CeraVe resurfacing retinol and this Cosrx retinol. I'm leaving it up here. Yes, I'm leaving it up here. To build a skincare routine for a beginner, the first thing you need is your gentle face wash. You need your toner, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. Just as simple as it can be. From Sunday to Saturday, you're using your gentle cleanser, your toner, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. That's all. Now for your nighttime routine, that's where you introduce your exfoliant and then your retinol. Now while introducing this treatment, you need to space it out. You don't need to use it always into your routine so you don't damage your skin barrier. Now while you're using your exfoliant, I recommend you use it 2 times in a week, 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on how your skin can tolerate it. Now on Monday and Friday night, you're using your exfoliant, you're exfoliating your skin on Monday and Friday night, while on Wednesday you'll be using your retinol. I will encourage you to use retinol once a week as a beginner. So you use it once a week. On a Wednesday night you use your retinol, Monday and Friday night you're using your exfoliant. Now how do you build a routine, a nighttime routine with a retinol and an exfoliant? One, on Monday night you're using your gentle cleanser, you're using your exfoliating toner. On a dry skin, you use your exfoliating toner, and then you space it out. Don't go ahead to use another product. Give it some time to penetrate into your skin before you move into the next one. Now on a dry face you're using your exfoliant, and then you're using your serum. I would recommend you use an essence, because it will help to protect your skin barrier after exfoliating your skin. So you will use your serum, which is in form as an essence. You use your serum, and then you're moving in with your moisturizer. Okay, that's all you need to do on a Monday and Friday night. So now on Tuesday you're not doing anything. All you need to just do is to use your gentle cleanser, your toner, and your moisturizer. Now the moisturizer I recommend you use at night as an oily acne prone skin is this Cosrx oil free moisturizer. You can use any one of your choice, but I will recommend this. I'm using it lately and I love it on my skin. Okay, so on the day you're using your retinol, you're using your gentle cleanser, you're using your calming toner, you're using your essence. Allow your face to dry up a bit before you move in with your retinol. A pea-sized amount is enough on a dry skin. A pea-sized amount, you dab it in, and then allow your face to allow the retinol to work for like 10 to 15 minutes is okay. Then you now move in with your moisturizer. Keeping it simple will change the game for you. So if you follow this routine that I just shared now, you will have a healthy skin without breaking the bank. Now when you start using a skincare product and you find out that it's working on your skin, you don't need to go and change it because Adobe is using another product that is working for her. So if you find that product that works for you, stick to it. Try out this routine and let me know it worked for you. Okay, bye, see you on the next one.